Welcome to this video. The aim of this video is to explain how Turnitin works. Turnitin is a plagiarism detection instrument. It checks for plagiarism by highlighting texts that are identical or very similar to other texts. For every written assignment, you will be required to submit your assignment through Turnitin. In the MEd program, you will be required to submit many assignments through Turnitin. When logged into Blackboard, you will need to access your submission link. You'll see that there is a link that says View or Complete. Click on that link. Then an upload page will appear. Your name and surname will already be filled in on the page. You simply need to add a submission title and upload your assignment from wherever you saved it on your computer. Then click Upload. The Turnitin report takes some time to generate. It can be a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on how big your assignment is. Go make a cup of coffee, and when you come back, a page like this should have appeared. It will give you a similarity index. You can then choose to view the report or resubmit your assignment. If you click View, the originality report will appear. This is an excerpt of the originality report. As you can see, most of the sources are less than 1% similar, so this is not really a cause for concern. As you can see on the screen, the name of a book is highlighted, so this isn't really plagiarism. It is important for your lecturer to correctly interpret the Turnitin report, since sometimes the names of books or common phrases like "this essay explores" are highlighted, when they are not in reality instances of plagiarism. I hope this video helped you understand the basics of Turnitin. Happy writing!